Hey there guys, got best padlock here today. It's going to be the D Keyway. I'm going to try to pick them either to control or pick them open. Got this padlock from Bill. So Bill, thanks for sending this out. Appreciate it. Just going to go in here and start filling for my binding pins. Try that again. That first pin is set. Try this again. There it is, picked open. The shackle may be stuck, I don't know. Let's go ahead and see here. As you can see, don't want to close it. The plug has turned, so it's definitely picked open. Let's see if I can get it unlocked. I don't know if the shackle might be stuck. Well, maybe not. There we go. So there it is, picked open. Give you guys a look at the key bitting here. Get all this stuff put up. Bear with me. My Zippo lighter is right back underneath the camera. Hell. Maybe this will work. I apologize, my Zippo is way back there. I can't reach him without moving the camera. Give you guys a look at the key bitting. Hopefully you guys can see that. Those two back pins are really high. I have trouble with those. And that first pin towards the bow of the key, I don't know why he wouldn't set. But there it is, picked open. Best. It's going to be a D Keyway. I'm pretty sure it's stamped on here. Yep, D Keyway. And it's 1-2061. It is stamped on to key, bow of the key. But yep, there it is, picked open. And hopefully next time you guys see this lock, I'll give it a shot and hopefully get him to control. As always, thank you for watching, and you guys have a good one.